Hey guys, welcome back to another speed test comparison, and this time it's between OnePlus 60 versus OnePlus 8. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here you can see we have both the devices. One is OnePlus 60 towards the left hand side, and towards the right hand side we have OnePlus 8. OnePlus 60 is an 8GB variant and OnePlus 8 is 12GB variant. And in this video you guys will be the judges. Let me know whether OnePlus 60 can withstand OnePlus 8 in 2020. I know it's not a fair comparison because OnePlus 60 is an older device and that too with 8GB variant. In this video we'll just try to see whether a 2 years old phone can withstand with the latest flagship of 2020, which is OnePlus 8. So here we have few system applications, social networking applications, along with few light games and heavy games. OnePlus 60 comes with a Snapdragon 845 processor and OnePlus 8 comes with Snapdragon 865 processor. Both the devices are running on the stable channel of Oxygen OS. For OnePlus 60 it is 10.3.4, for OnePlus 8 it is 10.5.8. On OnePlus 8 we have set the screen refresh rate to 60Hz because OnePlus 60 doesn't come with 90Hz refresh rate, and both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. First we'll start up with the boot test in 3, 2 and 1. And here OnePlus 8 boots up faster, followed by OnePlus 60. Now we'll see app opening speed on both the devices along with RAM management, and at last I'll show you the benchmark results. So first let's clear all the recents in the background. So here you can see we don't have any applications running in the background. We'll start off with the basic application, which is calculator, in 3, 2 and 1. Opens up at the same time on both the devices. We'll leave it running in the background. Now we have camera application in 3, 2 and 1. And camera was slightly faster on OnePlus 60. We'll leave camera application also running in the background. Now we have Chrome. Opens up slightly faster on OnePlus 8. Let me open up my website. And that also loads up faster on OnePlus 8. Play Store slightly faster on OnePlus 8. We'll leave this application running in the background. Now we have Amazon. Slightly faster on OnePlus 8. Then we have Flipkart, again faster on OnePlus 8. Then we have Facebook, loads up at the same time on both the devices. Then we have Instagram, slightly faster on OnePlus 8. Then we have YouTube, that's again faster on OnePlus 8. Next we have Filmora. Here we have a video of 2 minutes which is 4K at 60 FPS. First we'll add that video, we'll see which device adds that video faster, and after that we'll add a same theme on both the videos and we'll see which device renders the video first. So here we have the video which is of 2 minutes. Now tapping on next in 3, 2 and 1. Here OnePlus 8 takes the lead in adding the video first, wherein OnePlus 60 is still at 75%. OnePlus 60 takes around 30 seconds extra. Now let's add the same theme on the video. And now we'll save it in 3, 2 and 1. And here again OnePlus 8 takes the lead, followed by OnePlus 60 with a margin of around 10 to 12 seconds. We'll leave this application also running in the background. And now coming on to the games, we have Subway Surfer, Temple Run, then few heavy games. Starting off with the Subway Surfer in 3, 2 and 1. And that also loads up slightly faster on OnePlus 8. Moving on to the next game, which is Temple Run. Again faster on OnePlus 8. Now we have heavy games like Asphalt 9, Call of Duty and PUBG. Moving on to Asphalt 9 in 3, 2 and 1. That also loads up faster on OnePlus 8, but not with a huge margin, hardly 3 to 4 seconds ahead than OnePlus 6T. Moving on to Call of Duty. And that's also slightly faster on OnePlus 8. Now moving on to PUBG in 3, 2 and 1. And again that's faster on OnePlus 8. And now let me show you the benchmark results. After that I'll show you the RAM management on both the devices. So with Geekbench application, these are the scores. On OnePlus 6T, single core scores 511, wherein multi-core scores 2335. On OnePlus 8, single core scores 904 and multi-core scores 3286. With Antutu benchmark application, OnePlus 6T scores 3,61,326 and OnePlus 8 scores 5,72,765. Now let's take a look at the RAM management. We'll open up all the applications again. Calculator still running in the background. Camera reloads on both the devices. Chrome still running on the background. Play Store still available. Amazon is also still running in the background on both the devices. Flipkart still available. Facebook still running. Instagram still running. Twitter still running in the background. YouTube still running on both the devices. Filmora still available on both the devices. Subway Surfer loads up on OnePlus 6T but running on OnePlus 8. Temple Run again loads up on OnePlus 6T. Asphalt 9 loads up on both the devices. Call of Duty still running in the background on both the devices. Then we have last game, which is PUBG. That is still running on both the devices. So guys, this was a speed test between OnePlus 6T, which is a 2 years old device, with that of OnePlus 8, which is a flagship device of 2020. In this speed test, we did not notice major difference in app opening. RAM management is still pretty good on OnePlus 6T. And how many of you guys think that OnePlus 6T was pretty good in the performance if you compare it with the latest OnePlus device, which is OnePlus 8? Then let me know in the comment section below. And also tell me how many of you are still using OnePlus 6 series, and are you guys upgrading to OnePlus 8 series or not? Let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts about this speed test. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video, and if you guys like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.